वो अगला देता जो हाँ जो
రెడీగా పెట్టుకోవాలని తెలియదు అది మొహం లోన అవే రెడీగా పెట్టి ఏం పెట్టావు అసలు మొహంలో పెట్టావా
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Had your breakfast, dear children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear children. Now let us we have to start our class. So, dear children, a warm welcome to you all. Already you have known that who am I? This is the stream. Now today I would like to start the math classes now. So, dear children, yesterday I have given to you the some of the homework. No, did you have completed? Did you complete? Okay, very good, superb. Now, for 1 digit and 2 digit numbers means how many numbers that you have written? You have written from 0 to 99. Very good, Dikshita, Srivalli, Lasya, all of the children. So, very good, superb. Now, well done, dear children. Now, everyone should have to be thorough on that. Now, what is meant by here 3-digit numbers? In 3-digit numbers, how many? From which number to which number it will come? 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers means the numbers it will come from 100 to 999. What is that? 100 to 999. Madam? Okay, dear children. Now, what are the 3-digit numbers? From 100 to 999. Then how would we have to say that these are the 3-digit numbers? Because from 100 means in this 100 how many digits are there? 1, 0, 0. Totally we have 3 digits, no? So that we have to say that this is a 3-digit number. Okay? Okay, dear children. Now 3-digit numbers, it starts from which number? From 100 to 999. Okay, dear children, have you cleared? Now, what are the 4-digit numbers, dear children? Yesterday we have discussed on that, no? 4-digit numbers. The digits, the number it starts from 1000. Okay, in 1000, how many digits are there? 1, 0, 0, 0. Totally we have 4 digits, no? So that we can say that this is a 4-digit number. Okay, so the 4-digit numbers, it starts from 1000 to 9999. Okay, dear children. Now we have started the first chapter. No, what is our chapter name? Numbers. Numbers up to 10,000. Okay, 10,000 is a which now it is a which digit number? 1-digit number or 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number or 5-digit number? 10,000 is a which digit number, dear children? Tell me. 10,000, 5-digit number. So when we write on the notebook, please you have to note down 10,000. When you write on the notebook, here we will get 5 digits. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, have you cleared, dear children? Now 10,000, it is a 5-digit number. Okay, now let us we have to go to our chapter. So I hope that this one you have completed, dear children. Now, so in the warm-up session, I have given the remaining 2 problems I have given to you. Know this is that 504, 999. So in this number, in the hundreds place, which digit we have to keep here? Are you able to chat it with me, dear children? Are you able to chat it with me? Okay. Now here in the hundreds place, which digit we have to keep here in the 505, 504, 5. Very good, Dikshita, Lasya. Now in the tens place, which digit we have to keep here? 0. Okay. Have you written? Very good, Dikshita. Now in the ones place, which digit we have to keep here? 4. Okay. Now I hope that everyone have you did well. Very good. Well done. Superb, dear children. Now next, from 999, in the hundreds place, we have to keep which digit here? Very good. Superb. Very good, dear children. 9. In the hundreds, in the tens place, which digit we have to keep here? 9. In the ones place, which digit we have to keep here? 9. Okay. Very good, dear children. I hope that everyone have you completed. Superb. Now, like in that way only, have to complete it as soon as with correctly. So, dear children, you have to collect the books from your campus, dear children. Okay. Now, next we can go to the next chapter. That is now here 4-digit numbers. So, how do we have to read 4-digit number? For example, if they have given, everyone should have to look at here on the board, dear children. Now, see there. Now here reading 4-digit numbers. So how do we have to read 4-digit number? So here one of the number is looking to 1203. I have kept the cursor on that number here. What is that? 1203. How do we have to read this number? Means see here first of all, before when we read any number, first of all, we have to give the place values. What do you have to give? Place values. Okay. Okay, dear children, please you have to note down in your notebook. See? Place values. What do you have to write? Place values. In the place values, what first place value, what is that? Ones. What is that? Note down in your notebook in the place values we have. First, you have to note down in your notebook, dear children. Place value, keep the heading. First place value, O. O, we have to write. O means ones. O means what is that, dear children? Ones. T means tens. T-E-N-S, tens. O means ones. T means tens. H means 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Very good, Dikshita. H means 100. You have to note down in your notebook all these place values. And T. T means what is that? 1000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 1000. Okay, dear children. O means ones. T means tens. H means hundreds. 1000 means we have to write here TH because you will get confused, no? Here in the tens also we have written T here. In the thousands you have to keep here TH. What do you have to keep? 1000. Okay? Okay, dear children. Have you written? Have you written in your notebook, dear children? Murari, did you complete in your notebook? Have you written? Place values. Keep the heading on the place values. O means ones. Very good, Dikshita. T means tens. H means 100. TH means 1000. Okay. Have you written in your notebook? Very good. Okay, dear children, these are the place values. After then we will get here in the, this is the 4-digit. How do you have to read the place values? Means this is the 4-digit number, place values. Now, first of all, everyone should have to note down in your notebook the any number like 1, 2, 0, 3. This number you have to enter in your notebook, please. 1, 2, 0, 3. No, here 1 don't write here. 1 here you have to write the 6 you have to write. 1 2 6 3. 1 2 6 3. Okay, write down 1 2 6 3 and give the place values to this given number. When you are giving the place values to the given number, we have to start from right side. From where we have to start? We have to start from right side. Means first place value, what is that? Ones. Once we have to write here on the top of the 3. O you have to write it on 3. Okay, you have to write it on 3. O. Next 6. On the top of the 6, you have to write here T. T means tens. Once after we have tens. So you should have to write on the 6 top, you have to write T. Now on the top of 2, you have to write here H. H means 100. H means what? 100. Okay. Now on the top of 1, you have to write here 1000. 1000 means you have to write TH. Very good. TH. Okay. Now by looking to this number, we have given the place values to that given number, no? So after giving this number, how do you have to read means on the one top, what is that here? We have to start reading from left side. Okay. Dear children, are you listening? Now we have to start the reading of the given number. First of all, we have to write the number. After then give the place values from the right side. We have to start from right side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Then how do you have to read this number means we have to start from left side. Where do we have to start? We have to start from left side. 1 is in thousands place. So how do you have to read? 1000. What do you have to read? 1000. Tell me, what is that once again? 1000. Now 2 is in which place here? 100. So you have to read here 200. 1000, 200. Now 6 is in which place value here? Tens. So 6 tens are what is that? 60. 1260 and 3 is in ones place. So we have to write 3 ones are 3. So 1263. Okay, dear children, have you cleared? How do you have to read the number? Now you should have to write the number name here. 1000. Write down ONE 1. 1. Write the number name of that given number. 1000. 1000. 1000 spelling already I have given in the place values, no? So 1000. This one write down. 1000. Next 200. 1000. Very good. 1202. 2. What is the spelling of 2? Okay, dear children. Last year I will check it. 200. 100. Here only. 200. 100. 63. What is the spelling of 6? 60. SIXTY. 63. 100. 63. No, Dikshita, I can't hear your voice because I kept in unmute. If I keep in mute, then if I keep it in unmute, then I will get lots of disturbances. So that I have kept in mute, dear children. Okay, have you completed? 1260. 60 spelling what? SIXTY. 60. 63. 63. Okay. 3 spelling. Okay, dear children, this is where you have to read the number. For example, now next number you have to write down in your notebook, dear children. 5069. Enter in your notebook, please. 5069. This is the number, no? So first, when you write any number, first of all you have to give the place values. How do you have to give the place values? We have to start from right side, means on the top of 9. What do you have to keep? First place value, what is that? Ones. So you should have to keep here O on the top of 9. Next, once after which place value it will come? Tens. So you should have to keep here on the top of 6 T. Now next after which place value? 100. 100 is in which on the top of 0 we have to keep here 100. Now on the top of 5 we have to keep here 1000. Then how do you read this number? Now read all of you. Now 5 is in which place value here? 1000. 5000 is 5000. 5000. 0 into 100, what it will come? 0 only. So we don't have any hundreds place value. So we should have to leave the hundreds. 5000, 6 tens are 60. 5069. Okay. Now write the place, write the number name, dear children, for that. Now 5069. 5000. Do you know the spelling of 5, dear children? F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5000. 5069. 5069. Very good, Nandu. Superb, Dikshita. Everybody, have you written in your notebook, dear children? Completed? Now, like in this way, we have to read the number. I hope that everyone have you understood. So next, next here they have given one of that 5069. So look at here on the board, dear children. Experiments with maths. Okay, how do we have to do the experiments here? They have given here counting forward numbers and counting backward numbers. 60? What is that? So here, look at here on the board, dear children now. See there, they have given here one of the counting forward and counting backward has given in the Romans, no, column wise. So one of the example has given 1000. Here, what is the number here? They have given 1001. After then what it will come? 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, like that we have to go count forward. Means you have to count forwardly. Then we have to write like in this way. Now remaining 2 numbers have given. You have to write the forwarding of the numbers. You have to count the forward and you have to write it the numbers on the given columns in the given boxes. Okay, dear children, will you complete this counting forward and counting backward? So what is the next number? It will come for this here 4657. After then which number it will come here? We have to change the only ones place. What is the ones place here? 7. So we have to change this one as 4658. Okay, like in this way we have to, after numbers you have to write, and in the next column counting backward means you have to write the before numbers of that given numbers. So here example, see here 2071. First of all they have given, no. Next number what they have given, before number what is the 71, before number what it will come, 2070. 70 before number 69, 2069. 69 before number what it will come here, 2068. Like in this way we have to write the before numbers. Okay dear children, now my voice is clear to you all. Okay, like in this way only you have to write these two numbers before numbers. You have to complete it in the boxes. I will send you these boxes to you in the for the homework, dear children. Please, you have to complete it these numbers. This is the after numbers and these boxes are before numbers. You should have to complete it. Okay, have you understood, dear children? Will you do no? Okay, yes. Now next, shall we go to the next page, dear children now? See, play this game with your friend on each other's page. Write a number between 0 and 19. Now practice time. Shall we start the practice time, dear children? So here fun time, they have given one of the activity, dear children. So you have to along with your friends. For example, you can play it at home also. It's very useful also, dear children. Your siblings or your friend, anybody are there with you. Then you have to take any one number, any one sheet. Okay, any one paper. On that paper, you have to write any one number. Whether it is a 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number, whatever it might be. And you have to tell to them, and you have to write on that number. On that number, you have to draw the box. You have to place the 2 columns on that box. So in the blue color, on the shaded part of that blue color, in the middle of that, you have to write any one number, and you have to tell to your friend. They have to write so before, in the left side, you have to write the after numbers. In the right side, they have to write the before numbers. And you can play this game, dear children. It's very useful and it makes you fun also. Okay. Now I will send you the homework is also, dear children. Please, you have to write the number names of this given numbers. Practice time 1 means exercise 1. In that one, first of all, first Roman, what they have given? They have given some of the numbers in one column, and you have to write all these numbers and number names in the given columns. Okay, dear children, will you do this? Are you able to do this one? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Okay, dear children. Now, second Roman, we can complete it tomorrow, dear children. Okay. So, this Roman, you have to complete it. Now, next, shall we go to the next Roman? Write in numerals. You have to write in numerals. They have given the number name. We have to write it as in numerals. Means numbers you have to write. 1000. 1000 means what is that? 1 you have to write. 300. After then, first you have to give the place values. Okay. Before when you write the number, first you give the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Thousands, how many thousands are there here? 1. So 1000, the downside of that, then you should have to write here 1. And hundreds, how many hundreds have given here? 3. So in the downside of the hundreds, you have to keep here 3. And next, how many tens they have given? Only 1. So you should have to keep here 1. And any ones are there? No. If they did not give any ones, so you should have to keep here 0. Okay. So what is the numeral? We got it for this number name 1310 means 1310. Have you cleared? Very good. Superb, dear children. Now in this way only, then remaining 2 you will now 6094. First you have to give the place values. After that, by looking to that number name, you have to write the numerals of this given number name. Okay, dear children. I hope that everyone have you understood. Okay, dear children, and our time is up. Shall we leave? And you have to complete it your homework. I will send in the group, dear children. Okay, thank you for attending the class, and bye, dear children. See you.